Hello everyone. Hope everything is going good around of you. So thanks and welcome once again for your comeback. So that recipe I'm going to share with you. It's very tasty, of course, and most importantly, it's very healthy. And in the meantime, if I want to tell you, if you still not watched my last video, the lychee plan, you can watch this one. The right side of your screen in the corner, the iCard, you can check out there. That day I keep the egg white, and the egg white I kept it for 2 days. After 2 days, I take out from the fridge and I'm ready to use on this recipe. So the egg white is good, and this recipe I call baked spinach. It's called baked spinach. This egg white, you can see here, this egg white and this tomato and the baby spinach. Only these three ingredients I will prepare this recipe, and I am sure you will enjoy it because it's really very healthy and tasty. With this three combination of this spinach, egg white and this tomato, will giving you a really good taste. The freshness of the spinach will give you a really different taste. So I hope you will enjoy and you will try it on your home. So be ready for the bake the spinach. And for the spinach, you need to take your baking pan. After brush it with a little oil, very little oil. Then put your baby spinach, and when the baby spinach, don't put very fully. Don't put it very fully. Just keep little place for your egg white, for your tomato. Then put your tomato small because I take only one tomato. I take one tomato and I take out the seeds. And now you are watching, I am using the egg white here. I will make it full the pans with the egg white. You can see here I am using like this. And in the meantime, I already opened my oven. Because when you are going to bake something in your oven, you must need to preheat your oven. So I already opened my oven. Then when I will be finished here to use my egg yolk, then I will put this one in the oven for 20 minutes. I use 200 degrees for 200 degrees for my baking this baby spinach for 20 minutes. For this 20 minutes is good enough for your baked spinach. So it's ready here. And before we will go to oven, just sprinkle the salt, top up your spinach. Sprinkle of salt you can use for your taste. Then you will put in the oven for 20 minutes. This is really good enough. 20 minutes in 200 degrees. After 20 minutes, take out from the oven and you will see how good looks it is. Very smoothie, so soft. Your baked spinach. So it's ready here. Now it's time for serving. Take your serving plate and take it out very softly from your oven pans. Then you can serve. You can serve it without any kind of sauce. So here is done for today, our baked spinach. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. And I want to tell you, if you really like this video, if you really like this recipe, then you can share it with your friends and family. You can give a like, you can give your thumbs up to me for my works. If you really think it's good for you, then give your thumbs up to me. And if you are new here, consider your subscribe. If and if you already subscribed to my channel, then huge thanks to you for being with me. So thanks once again for watching. You can see here it's look like that. So you can tell me about something for today's recipe. So thanks once again for watching. So take care, have fun until we will talk. So thanks once again, take care, have fun, bye.